How to create a TikTok series step by step. To create TikTok series, you simply have to first of all verify your eligibility. So first things first, you must be at least 18 years older, and also you must need 1,000 views over the last 30 days with at least 3 public posts, and you also need 10,000 plus followers. Now you simply have to go ahead and create the series shell. Launch the TikTok application on your device. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top right. Then tap on the TikTok Studio. Now you simply have to look at the monetization option from there. Then proceed to set up the metadata by tapping the new series option. Choose your pricing and then proceed to add video episodes and simply submit it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.